quilt, this crocheted applique. But first we have to set the sewing machine. So we are going to set it on a zigzag stitch function. I am using an Innovis InQ 1300 PRW brother sewing machine, and this sewing machine has an automatic presser foot. So if your sewing machine is different, then you have to loosen the presser foot so that it will sew on a thicker fabric. So I got it on number 5, function number 5, and stitch width is 3.0 millimeter and stitch length is 3.0 millimeter, so it's easier to remember. And that is the zigzag, how the way it looks. So as you can see, I use the color of thread that closely match the outline of the applique. With any kind of applique, I always start at the center of the design and work my way toward the outside of the design. So I'm starting with a flower motif. So it is better to start the needle position on the outer edge of the design. And see, my needle is toward the inner side, but I'll go ahead and turn it, turn the fabric to sew around the next corner, but I'm gonna position the needle toward the outside manually. So now I can sew again. And I use my hand to turn the needle position toward the edge manually. Lift up the presser foot so to be able to turn the material or the fabric. Then put the presser foot down and start to sew again. Position the needle to the outer edge of the design. Lift up the presser foot and turn. Put the presser foot down and start sewing. And position the needle manually to the outer edge of the design. Lift up the presser foot to turn the fabric or applique. Put it back down and start sewing again. So just do it the same all the way around the flower motif. Always turn when the needle position is down. I'm done with the flower, and so I will put it on straight stitch to do a reverse stitch to close the stitch. That's one, function one. And put the presser foot down and hit this U symbol to make a reverse. So we have it, we done the flower. The next part of this video is how to sew the leaves.